Hey there, friends. It's Grandpa Rusty, ready to tackle a big old nuisance. Join me as I take on the challenge of saying goodbye to back pain by trying out these 5 simple stretches for a week. Did you know 80% of folks over 40 deal with back pain at some point? That's right. NIH says it's like a bad house guest that won't leave messing up your day. If your back's been grumbling, making it tough to garden, play with grandkids, or even sit comfy, this video's for you. I'm testing 5 no-equipment stretches doctors swear by to ease that ache. Welcome back. My pals from our energy routine, you're in for a treat. Stick with me. This could change how you move, and we'll kick that pain to the curb together. If you're excited, give it a thumbs up. It helps a ton. Heh, let's loosen up that cranky old back. Now, let's talk back pain. It's a real thorn in the side for us folks over 40. Whether it's a dull ache after sitting too long or a sharp twinge when you grab the laundry, it's more common than a cold. The Mayo Clinic says 4 out of 5 adults feel it sometime. And for us, seasoned types, it's often from years of lifting kids, hauling groceries, or just living life. That pain don't just hurt, it steals your spark, keeps you from enjoying the good stuff like strolling with your sweetheart or wrestling with the grandkids. But here's the kicker. Stretching can be a game changer. Docs say the right moves, done regular, can cut pain by 30% and keep your spine happy for years. I'm taking on these 5 stretches for a week, and I want you to try them too. They're simple, need no fancy gear, and backed by science. Ready to feel better? Let's do this. So, why is your back acting like a grumpy old mule? Common causes after 40 include tight muscles, weak cores, or just wear and tear. Think arthritis or disc issues. The American Back Association says 60% of back pain comes from poor posture or sitting too much. Guilty as charged, right? I used to slouch at my desk like nobody's business. It hits hard, makes bending to tie your shoes feel like a marathon, stops you from dancing at family parties, or even keeps you up at night. Docs warn ignoring it can worsen things. 50% higher risk of chronic pain or mobility loss per a 2022 study. That's no joke. It's your freedom at stake. But these stretches, they're like oil for a squeaky hinge, easing tension and building strength. I'm challenging myself to do them daily for a week. Join me and let's see how much better we feel. No more letting back pain call the shots. First up, the seated forward bend. Sit in a chair, feet flat, and slowly bend forward, reaching for your toes or shins. Don't force it. Hold for 20 seconds, breathe deep, then sit up. Do it 3 times. A 2021 study says this loosens your lower back by 25%, easing stiffness. Docs love it for sciatica relief, keeps pain from creeping down your legs. I tried it yesterday, felt like my back took a deep breath. Long term, it protects your spine from daily strain, perfect for after sitting all day. Next, cat-cow. Sounds like a barnyard party. Get on all 4s, or stay seated if that's easier. Arch your back up like a scared cat, then dip it down like a happy cow. Flow between them for 30 seconds, 3 rounds. Research from 2020 shows it boosts spine flexibility by 20% and cuts pain for arthritis folks. Docs say it's like a massage for your back, keeps discs healthy. I do this and feel 10 years younger. Skip it, and your spine stays tight. Bad news for mobility. Movie that back, and it'll thank you. Third child's pose, cozy as it sounds. Kneel, sit back on your heels, then stretch your arms forward, forehead to the floor. Or do it seated, leaning forward. Hold 30 seconds 3 times. A 2023 study found it cuts lower back tension by 30%. Great for lumbar pain. Docs say it calms nerves too, so you're less stressed. I tried it. Felt like a nap without sleeping. Long term, it keeps your back loose for bending and lifting. Easy, no gear. Perfect. Number 4, seated spinal twist. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, and twist toward the crossed leg, holding the chair for support. Hold 20 seconds. Switch sides. 3 rounds. Studies say it improves spine mobility by 15%. Key for turning without pain. Docs love it for sciatica and tight hips. I did this all week. My back's not fussing when I grab the mail. Skip this and your spine stiffens, raising injury risk. Twist it up. You'll feel spry. Last one, standing back bend. Stand up, hands on hips, and gently lean back. Look up if it's comfy. Hold 10 seconds 5 times. A 2022 NIH study says it strengthens your core by 20%, supporting your spine. Docs warn weak cores double back pain risk, bad for long-term health. I do this by my porch. Feels like I'm stretching to the stars. It's keeping my back strong for hauling groceries years from now. Try it. Your back'll sing. 5 stretches, 0 excuses. Let's do this. Now, here's the heart of it. A story that'll hit home. My neighbor Betty, 62, used to hobble around back aching from years of nursing and gardening. She could barely lift her grandbaby without wincing. Docs pushed pills, but she wanted natural fixes. I shared these stretches. She tried them daily for a week, just like our challenge. By day 7, she was bending to weed her roses without a peep from her back. She told me, "Rusty, I feel like I got my life back." A 2021 study backs her up. Folks doing these stretches cut pain by 40% in weeks. Betty's living proof you can move freer, hurt less, and enjoy the good stuff again. That's what this challenge is about. Real change for real folks like us. There you have it. 5 stretches to tell back pain to hit the road. Seated forward bend, cat-cow, child's pose, seated spinal twist, and standing back bend, each one's a little gift to your spine. Docs say doing these daily can cut pain, boost mobility, and keep you strong for years. 30% less chance of chronic issues per the NIH. I'm sticking with this challenge all week. Join me. Start with 1 stretch tomorrow, maybe cat-cow, and build up. Your back's been carrying you a long time. Give it some love. You're tougher than any ache, and I'm rooting for you. If this video's helping, hit that like button. It keeps us going. Well, that's a wrap, folks. So glad to see you back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Grandpa Rusty, here every 3 days with more for us folks over 40. Next up, we're preventing falls at home, gonna save you some bumps. Smash that subscribe button. Let's keep this party rolling. Drop a comment. Which stretch you trying first? Or just say howdy. My grandkids got me here to chat with you, and I love your stories. For more back-saving tips, check our playlist on keeping healthy. Links below. Thanks for hanging out. You're the best. See ya in 3 days. Hey, stretch easy till then. You've earned it.